Almond.
Almond.
Cashew.
Cashew.
Walnut.
Walnut.
Pistachio.
Pistachio.
Raisin.
Raisin.
Fig.
Fig.
Date.
Date.
Apricot.
Apricot.
Prune.
Prune.
Peanut.
Peanut.
Brazil nut.
Brazil nut.
Hazelnut.
Hazelnut.
Macadamia nut.
Macadamia nut.
Pecan.
Pecan.
Pine nut.
Pine nut.
Chestnut.
Chestnut.
Acorn.
Acorn.
Cola.
Cola.
Betel nut.
Betel nut.
Hickory nut.
Hickory nut.
Golden raisin.
Golden raisin.
Black raisin.
Black raisin.
Sultana.
Sultana.
Currant raisin.
Currant raisin.
Medjool date.
Medjool date.
Iowa date.
Iowa date.
Deglet nor date.
Deglet nor date.
Barhi date.
Barhi date.
Zahidi date.
Zahidi date.
Dried blueberry.
Dried blueberry.
Dried cranberry.
Dried cranberry.
Dried cherry.
Dried cherry.
Dried kiwi.
Dried kiwi.
Dried apple.
Dried apple.
Dried pear.
Dried pear.
Dried mango.
Dried mango.
Dried pineapple.
Dried pineapple.
Dried papaya.
Dried papaya.
Dried guava.
Dried guava.
Lotus seed.
Lotus seed.
Watermelon seeds.
Watermelon seeds.
Sunflower seeds.
Sunflower seeds.
Pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin seeds.
Chia seeds.
Chia seeds.
Flax seeds.
Flax seeds.
Sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds.
Cantaloupe seeds.
Cantaloupe seeds.
Gond.
Gond.
Dry coconut.
Dry coconut.
Caroli.
Caroli.
Goji berries.
Goji berries.
Munaka.
Munaka.
Dried jamun.
Dried jamun.
Dried bio fruit.
Dried bale fruit.
Dried amla.
Dried amla.
Dried mulberry.
Dried mulberry.
Dried blackberry.
Dried blackberry.
Dried strawberry.
Dried strawberry.
Dried raspberry.
Dried raspberry.
Dried gooseberry.
Dried gooseberry.
Dried persimmon.
Dried persimmon.
Dried lychee.
Dried lychee.
Dried pomegranate seeds.
Dried pomegranate seeds.
Hemp seeds.
Hemp seeds.
Sacha inchi.
Sacha inchi.
Dried dragon fruit.
Dried dragon fruit.
Dried jackfruit.
Dried jackfruit.
Dried orange peel.
Dried orange peel.
Dried lemon peel.
Dried lemon peel.
Dried tangerine.
Dried tangerine.
Dried peaches.
Dried peaches.
Dried prunes.
Dried prunes.
Dried loquat.
Dried loquat.
Dried tamarind.
dried tamarind,
dried star fruit,
dried star fruit,
dried elderberry,
dried elderberry,
dried ginseng,
dried ginseng,
dried boysenberry,
dried boysenberry,
dried okra seeds,
dried okra seeds,
dried snowberry,
dried snowberry,